Hey guys, what's up? It's Carly here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought that we could do a slime starter kit from Elmer's, and then you guys can decide whether I passed or failed at it. But without further ado, let's get this show on the road and let's make some slime. So in this Elmer's slime starter kit, it includes 2 clear glues, 5 glue pens, and 2 bottles of magical liquid right here. And then all you need are just bowls that you don't have to worry about getting dirty, and plastic spoons or something to mix with, and you're good to go. So let's get going. Alright, so I got a utensil. I have my magic liquid here, my glue, and the glitter. So I'm just going to be following the directions on the back of Elmer's. So if you guys want to follow along, feel free to. Just get a container that you don't care about getting dirty, or if it gets ruined. But other than that, let's get started. So it says I need to pour an entire bottle into the container. So let's see if I can even open this. There we go. So here goes one. Oh my. Alright, I'm just going to let that run here for a minute here, make sure I get all the glue out of there. Alright, then next I can put my choice of Elmer's glitter in there, so, let's see. There's red, gold, green, blue, and silver. I think I might just go with red. Red is one of my favorites. So let's open this up. Alright, this is what it looks like, you guys. It's just one big tube. And it says just to add it to here. Looks like spaghetti, you guys. Oh my gosh, it looks like spaghetti. Ah! Oh jeez. Actually, it looks like intestines or something. Something died in my bowl, you guys. Something died in my bowl. I think that's enough, don't you think? And then let's stir this up until we mix it all even. That's actually really pretty, you guys. I don't want to spill it, but that's why I got a see-through container. Definitely starting to look like glitter glue, obviously. I'm looking at the directions here, and it says to add 1 bottle of Elmer's magic liquid. That seems like a lot. I guess we're doing what the directions say, though. Whatever you say, directions. Alright, let's finish mixing this up here, you guys. You can see that it's definitely glittery. So let's just pop open this bottle here. And then 1 bottle. I'm not going to do a whole bottle. I'm just going to do part of the bottle just to see how it goes. Better safe than sorry, right? And I've never done this. I've never really used a slime starter. Actually, that's not true. I have used a slime starter pack, and with my cousin, that failed really miserably. But, I mean, this one, I mean, I'm not complaining. I mean, it's definitely slimy, but I see why they want you to add a whole bottle. Because that's going to stick to everything. So we're just going to keep mixing, keep mixing. Yeah, that's definitely slime. Let's get this all mixed up here. Yeah, you guys can definitely see that it's definitely slime. So, I guess the next part, ooh, that feels weird. Oh, I guess the next thing is to pick it up. Oh my goodness. That is definitely slime. That feels like slime, you guys. Ooh. Oh, I can't explain how this feels, but imagine how slime actually feels. That's exactly what this feels like. Like, it actually feels like slime. It's not the slime that doesn't stick to you. It's definitely gonna be like when Kids' Choice Awards or the old Nickelodeon games with celebrities would come on. It's like that sticky, gooey slime. Oh, look at this, you guys. Like, oh, stick into the bowl. Come here. But, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I think this is a pass. I mean, I don't do it very often, but I think my only problem is that it's definitely really sticky. Definitely sticky. But I mean, it's only 4 simple steps to making it. So, I mean, it's pretty simple, nice, easy kit to do. It comes with everything that you need except for Tupperware and utensil to stir with. But I mean, other than that, I mean, I don't think it's half bad, honestly. Like, it's pretty interesting. Like, like this definitely sticks to you. So, if you're doing this, make sure you have don't be like me. Make sure you have something below you or on your table, so that way it doesn't ruin whatever you're on. So, I mean, so, you know, I might make another one. I'm not for sure. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna make another one. So I'm gonna clean up here, and I'll see you guys back once I clean up. And I'm just gonna go for round 2. What do you guys say? Maybe. Why not? I didn't buy the kit for nothing. If it'll even come off of me. Alright, I will see you guys back. I will be right back, okay? Alright, I'm back. Alright, let's see here. Let's do this over again. I got my hands washed decently. That stuff is kind of hard to get off, so unless you got oil or something. So again, add the full bottle of Elmer's clear glue. If it would all come out. I think I got it. Alright, put the cap back on that so nothing else spills. Oh, I guess I still have a little left in here. Let's see if we can get it out. If not, it's no biggie. Use it for more important things like gluing. No, that's about as much as I'm going to get out. Alright, what color? Let's see here. I think this time I'm going to do silver. I think I'm going to do the silver one. So, silver tube. And squeeze all that glitter on in. oddly satisfying to watch. If I had a better camera angle, I'd be able to show you guys, but I don't want this to spill either. Every time I try and show you guys, it wants to spill, so. Alright, I think I got most of that out of there. Alright, this might have a little bit of red glitter in it, but it's not gonna hurt anybody. Mix, 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 mix. We're gonna mix up all that silver in here, make sure it's nice and well and blended. All that silver, you guys see that silver? That's actually really pretty, I like that. Really pretty. Silver is a really pretty color. When it's on the right stuff, anyway. Alright. We're going to take the other magical liquid from Elmer's, and we're going to pour the whole thing right in. I see why they say pour it all in. Pouring it all in. Like a boss. Woo! Alright. I can't believe I just said that. Oh, man. I'm going to get so much crap for that. Oh, jeez. Anyway, mix, 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 mix. Mixing up the, okay, a little bit of splash. Mixing up the slime here. Make sure the magical liquid is all well and blended. There we go. You know, it's not too bad. Okay, don't whip it. Don't whip it. Be careful not to get this kind of stuff in your mouth. I promise you it's not gonna taste good. Maybe a kid-friendly thing, but that doesn't mean that it's still good. There's the silver slime. Looks about just as the same as the red one. I want to say this one's just a little stiffer than the other one. At least that's what it looks like anyway. It's what it feels like. I'm trying to pick this up and it's just like, workout. Yeah, but I mean, I don't know about you guys. I think it's a pass, but you guys can decide in the comments below whether this was a pass or a fail. So, and don't forget to hit that like button. Hit the notification bell when you subscribe. There are going to be more videos coming up here soon, more DIY videos. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Ugh, so sticky. Sticky. Can't get it off. No, get off! It's like trying to get rid of a booger, jeez. This is gonna be never ending.